In this video, we'll show you how to perform a factory reset on your machine. This simple reset can help resolve error 17, as well as common stitching issues related to motor rotation, including inconsistent speed, whether it's running too slow or too fast. To perform the reset, first power off the machine, then press and hold both the up and down arrow buttons together and switch the power back on. The display will now show P21. Next, press the B button once. And that's it! You've successfully performed a factory reset on your machine. Quick and easy. Now enjoy a smooth and seamless sewing experience again.